Guys, I hope that all of you are doing great. Well, this video I'm going to talk about one of the coin that actually can do 400x from here. And let me tell you, actually it can even do 600x from here. And this is not a random pick, just like the last time I covered the stacks coin. I showed you the exact scenario and the exact calculation why something like this is possible. This particular coin, by the next halving, when the Bitcoin actually goes through the next big bull run, not the mini bull run, the big bull run by 2025, this coin is dead cheap right now. Like at the peak of it, it was $1,900 at the peak of bull run last year. And then right now it has crashed down to the extent of $120. That means anyways, it is going to go up 15x. But here, I'm talking about eventually reaching 400x. I'll show you the exact calculation, and this is related with the gaming and the metaverse. So this is like the king of, or the category king of this particular gaming and metaverse. So Electronic Arts, or EA Sports, you might have heard of. In our early days, we used to play a lot of games, the soccer games and so much of the games. So this is one of the most successful video game companies in the world, and this coin pick that I'm talking about can actually become the next Electronic Arts of the entire blockchain gaming and the metaverse industry. And it is backed by the claims and by the belief of a lot of big investors as well. Make sure you watch the video completely till the end so that you can get this pick and you can see through it and utilize it for your advantage when it is dead cheap right now. Again guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please ensure you hit the subscribe button. This channel will be everything about how do we grow your finances. That's what the goal of this channel is, to provide financial freedom to all of our subscribers. So coming back onto the coin. So Electronic Arts, or EA Sports, generated over $6.3 billion in revenues over the past year. And this pick could do something on similar lines in gaming and metaverse. And this is the name of the coin that I'm talking about is Illuvium. ILV. It's a decentralized game studio that brings together the crypto and the gaming worlds. In fact, Illuvium's first project is an open world game where players can battle each other for prizes and travel the metaverse for collectibles. It's similar to the wildly popular Pokemon Go mobile game, which has 150 million players and generated $1.23 billion revenue last year. Now let me tell you guys, the moment the trailer of Illuvium was launched, that then itself it 10x'd last year. And by the bull run peak, as I told you, it reached to $1,900 without the game even launching. And the launch of the game is supposed to happen this year. Just imagine all the negative scenario that can happen is happening. The bear market depths right now, it has crashed down so much, like we are talking more than 95%, $120 value right now. And just imagine the upside we are talking about. I'm going to show you the exact calculation how we can achieve that number. So basically, on the Illuvium platform, you will also find the IlluviDex. As you know, the dexes are like very much, you already have a lot of billion-dollar dexes. So it's a decentralized exchange for trading in-game assets to other players. So this enables the players to generate income as they journey through the game if they are willing to part ways with rare items. Now you have the items, where do you trade it? This is the dex that will be allotted with it. So Illuvium will roll out to its mobile gaming app as well, which will allow its players to game from anywhere out there in the world. Or it won't be any dependent, right? You have the mobile app. Obviously, so many people will be coming to play in with the play to earn model, where people can actually make a significant sum of money as well. So this opens the door to millions of users with the kind of quality that these people are doing. Like, it's a level up. So far, the people who are coming up with the best projects, even they believe that Illuvium is at the top right now as far as the quality is concerned. So millions of users and the adoption drives the price. So this is just first of the many games Illuvium plans to release in the years ahead. So many of the games are going to come ahead. The most important part, the most important trustworthy thing is that the team members include Kieran and Aaron Warwick, brothers of Kane Warwick. So Kane is the founder of Synthetics, SNX Coin, very famous, and it has been like from a significantly long period of time. So one of the most successful DeFi protocols on Ethereum. So the family is highly knowledgeable and involved in the crypto space already. They are joined by Scott McCarthy, who was formerly in charge of Sony's product and marketing division and head of marketing at video game live streaming platform Twitch. On top of this, Illuvium has 120 team members and developers behind the projects. Now the coin is dead cheap right now, as I've already told you, dropped to the value of $120 with the recent crash, Bitcoin crashing below $20,000, and last year bull run it was 1800 plus. Now the EA games, when I have already compared with the EA Sports, gamers actually spent over $4 billion on in-game assets alone. This accounted for 70% of the company's total revenue. Now, considering the team behind Illuvium, it has the potential to become the EA Sports or the Activision Blizzard of the metaverse gaming industry. Now, if that is the case, we'd see billions of dollars of microtransaction within the in-game itself. That is going to benefit the Illuvium token holders. I'm not just talking about the institutional money coming in. This is like naturally the token might gain such a value by the next bull run. Now, having said that, like when we are talking this much billions of dollars, and then if we try to evaluate both, we are actually talking to the extent one single coin, like if it actually reaches that level, it could be even higher, like EA Sports thing evaluation. One single coin can be valued at $60,000. Now 120 multiplied by 500 becomes $60,000. That means 500x from here. And if not 500x, then 400x. And I'm talking about, obviously, when the big bull run comes, 3 years is enough for the adoption. The game will be launched this particular year, but you have the opportunity of a lifetime. I mean, even the worst case scenario that we are talking about, last bull run, it reached, I mean, it'll at least go there, right? You're 15xing your money from here, like 1500% jump from here. But in this blue sky scenario, you're having 500x, and it is a kind of a project which is not going to disappear during the bear market, because I mean, some of the projects, that is the reason I chose this. I'm not just choosing any micro cap which is like 200,000 market cap right now. If you go and buy it, you're gonna pump the coin like shit. And we are not talking about those things. We are talking about the real genuine projects which is going to have the mass adoption in the future. And that is the reason it has a real world potential to reach that particular height. Again, guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please ensure you hit the subscribe button, because this channel, we plan to deliver the best value to our subscribers. Please comment down below, what do you think of this particular coin, where it is heading to? Do you think it's dead cheap? Do you think what could be the value? Have you seen the trailer of it? Like, what is your take on this? Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye bye.